Hey everybody, how's it going? It's been a while, but today I'm actually heading to the Rio Grande Valley because a whole lot of rare birds showed up. Probably not going to make it there by light, so tomorrow is going to be the main day that I'm really going to be looking for stuff. But on the way, I'm going to try to make a stop and look for a different rare bird, and I'll keep you guys updated.
Make a noise.
We have arrived in the exact same room that we stayed in last time. That's funny. Alright everybody, we're doing a little bit of night shining, and I think this is a wild calancho, maybe, or a alligator plant. It's a species of succulent. I don't think it's native, but pretty cool. There's some flowering right here. Pretty interesting. Alright everybody, right here, pooped all over my hand. This is a wild olive tortoise beetle. I know this isn't really the best look, but I got some good pictures. And they live on these Texas wild olive trees. There's a couple of other names for it, but I forget.
Show them the thing here.
Right here is some fruit from it, or olive. And here's a pretty nice looking flower. Right here is another really nice tortoise beetle. Hey everybody, so last night we did a little bit of exploring, found some tortoise beetles, found some pretty cool looking plants, but today is the actual day that we're going to go and track down some rarities. First of all, we're going to go look for a burrowing owl that's pretty close to the hotel. I've tried for this species multiple times and failed every time, so hopefully I'll have some actual luck this time. Alright, it has happened. My lifer burrowing owl. focusing. But there is gray collared picard. Terrible looks. There it is. More terrible views, but right here is a female rose-throated picard, and where is it? Right up here somewhere is the gray-collared picard. Oh, there he is. So there are two species of picard right here. That's really cool. There's a pretty good view of the rose-throated picard, and where is it? Right in there somewhere. It's a gray collared. But yeah, look at that. It's incredible. Check it out. Altamira Oriole. That's so cool. Wow. Oh, and a green jay. Wow. Two of the best valley birds right there. There's a great-tailed grackle. Where'd the green jay go? There he is. Another Altamira Oriole. A lot of green jays. Wow. Very difficult to see, but right here is the rare roadside hawk. Just one more bird to find here, and that's the dusky-capped flycatcher. Okay, way better views now. It's on the bench right here. That's so cool. Dusky cat flycatcher right there. Well, so far it's been pretty great here at Resaca de la Palma. Got the gray-collared picard, rose-throated picard. Got a western tanager, which I didn't get any video of. Dusky cat flycatcher and roadside hawk. So lots of really cool rarities. Unfortunately, it's cold and cloudy, so I don't know if I'll be able to see any of my butterfly targets, but we'll see. Yeah, this is incredible. Oh my god, it's a red-bordered pixie. One of my biggest targets for the trip. That's incredible. Oh, well. Number 2. Wow. Nice. Alright everybody, here's a beautiful white-tailed kite. Look at that. This is the closest I've ever gotten to one. Wow, look at this crazy amount of American white pelicans. Some cormorants, pelicans, pelicans as far as the eye can see. That's so cool. Some Texas spiny soft shells, some red ear sliders. Alright everybody, we're on our way to Frontera Audubon Society, but we spotted this pair of peregrine falcons right here. That's really cool. I've only ever seen one before. So here we have the fastest species of bird on the planet, peregrine falcon. I can't believe that there's a pair like this. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, he is tearing something up right now, I think. Yep, another osprey. Later that night, I ended up finding some really cool cacti, which I'll show pictures of right now. There's a leucistic deer over here. It's got horns. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching this episode. I found a whole lot of really cool stuff, and I'm sorry, I know it's kind of all over the place. Things aren't really in chronological order, but I hope you enjoyed.